Hey there guys, in this quick video I want to share with you some great popular free brushes on Procreate, the kind of like the ones that you can actually like get. So the first one is called, I want to share with you something that I actually like found on Reddit, maybe you can like it. So you can see right here that some of these are completely for free, that you want to check. For example, right here, the cross hatching experience free mini brush set for Procreate, or like this one right here, the comic book artist free mini brush set for Procreate, or like this one right here. So this the like a Manero brushes. So this is like plenty of these are like completely for freebies. Like look at that, and you can like download it and use it, right? And this is like very good. So primarily like this one, definitely check it out, okay? And plenty of people like thankful on Reddit, you know, is like they were like happy. Also, another one that you can also check out is like the Ahmed Aldori brushes. So this is like another one when you can like write the Ahmed Aldori Photoshop bundles. Now check these ones out, maybe you would like it. And this is like another one for you to check out. Then also well, like when you go on Reddit, just like I recommend, write on Reddit, okay? Write this on Reddit: best free brushes for Procreate Reddit, and just open the links, and plenty of people are sharing their own stuff that you can actually use. Right, I'll show you right here. So hope this video provided value on what you can actually like expect. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.